Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today my topic is best car accident lawyer. So if you are new, please like, subscribe my channel and also share your friend. And when you have any accident, especially car accident, you need a lawyer for your claims and your helping. They will recovery your money from insurance company. So I recommend one accident lawyer sites for your information. If you have any accident, you can go and search better result for your information. So let's start. This one is Rob Levin and Ascot personal injury lawyers. They have here number also 08 sorry 800 742 3920, available 24-hour 7 day. Okay, no fees, still you win. They are say no fees, they will not get fees when you are win, if still you are win. So car accident lawyer, have you been injured in a car accident? Find out what your case is worth. This is also asking here Rob Levins and associates here when you need us 24/7 hard. No fees, still you win. You can call here, live chat, email, and free case evaluation. Everything option available which you like, you can go. So let's some car accident lawyers. Hurt in an auto accident, get an attorney. Automobile offer us one of the quickest and most convenient way to travel around our beautiful New England states. Unfortunately, with accident occurring each day, this form of travel is often the most dangerous. In fact, it has been reported that a car accident happens on a average of every 10 seconds. So they provide some information about accidents. And next this one, find lawyers for car accident near me. So of course the best way to avoid a car accident is by taking preventational measures to ensure safety during travel. However, it the event that you are involved in a auto accident near the following areas. So if you want to any help for your case review, you can see this case evaluation, call now, chat live. So if you need, you can go. So let's finish today this topic. I will come again new video. So goodbye, take care.